Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Cedartown, local and long-distance movers near me. It's not easy moving your entire household and belongings across a 50-mile distance without adequate preparation. Things can become complicated from the initial stages of sorting and packing your stuff in boxes and loading them in your car or small truck. It is even becoming more complex if you have little kids that'll need to watch during the process. If you have other crucial matters to work out during the process, you can't afford to leave your relocation to an unreliable moving company. 3 Men and a Truck does not disappoint when it comes to long-distance moving services. We have the full backing of the Federal Motor Companies and Carriers Safety Authority because of our credibility in the business. Our drivers have obtained all essential interstate driving permits, and they obey all road rules. We guarantee that we'll deliver all your possessions to the new destination in the best time possible without any of them getting lost or damaged. We take pride in providing our clients with satisfying moving services. Our expertise does not end at long-distance relocations, though. We also handle local moving services within Cedartown. We charge between $30 to $40 per hour. The exact amount you'll pay depends on the distance between your current and new apartment and the number of things you want to move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cedartown moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.